Hello, I'm Simon Hope, and I'm just going to give a short description of the Twister FU180. Now, firstly, what I'd like to say is it's more aimed at the hobby market, but I would say that it was a professional hobby lathe. It's very well built, very heavy duty legs like the other ranges that I sell, and it's 144 kilos, so it's very sturdy for the small lathe that it is. It has a 1.5 horsepower motor, which is pretty powerful for most work. You can do 360mm diameter over the bed. If you had the bed extension, you could do up to 800mm on the side of the bed, and you can do 500 between centres. The bed extension is 400, so that gives you an extra 400 between centres if you had the bed extension. Everything is still nicely machined with chamfers, heavy duty legs, and you still have the positions on the legs if you choose to buy the bed extension. One other nice feature that this lathe has is that it has a position at the front, just down on here, that you can have the bed extension, and it allows you to swing the head round, which is all you're able to move in any position and turn comfortably the bowls in front of you, and that's a huge advantage and stops you having to lean over the bed in order to turn bowls. Everything's nicely machined, everything works lovely. It comes with a spur drive, a live centre, a face plate, a knockout bar, and the spindle locking pin. Again, that has a magnet in here, so you don't lose it. Now, you can change the belt settings on this, and again it has two pulleys, a high ratio and a low ratio. You need an Allen key to get in this one, and if you're turning bigger work, it's ideal or best to put it on the lower setting. So you'd undo that, and again, like the others, you release the lever and you can change the belt very easily. It does also have an indexing system, which is on the back here, 24 indexing, and you just screw the pin in to locate, and that's how you use that for your indexing system. The head moves very easily. You lift the handle and you can position round to turn. It has indexing systems at 45 and 90, but what this machine also comes with is a double 2 Morse taper, which will help you realign the head up once you've turned it around. It still has a magnet control box on there, slightly smaller, but everything's on there that you need with forward and reverse, and that can go in any position that you like. So the smaller of the lathes compared to the Stratos 230 and the XL, but a very capable lathe, a top of the range lathe that you could do many projects with. Thank you for watching, and any more information is available from my website, which is www.hopewoodturning.co.uk. Thank you.